Why is that a $1,200 flagship is stuck at 5000 mAh battery while most budget phones are hitting 7000 or above? Is it just laziness of the brand or is there a technical wall which we aren't focusing on? Today we are looking at why most brands cap their batteries at 5000 mAh. Safety is the primary driver. Energy density is the double-edged sword. Samsung learned this the hard way with the Note 7. To go over 5000 mAh with traditional lithium ion, you either make the phone a brick, which means in the sense make it very heavy or large, or you compromise on the protective casing, which might harm the security of the user. Now let's look at the logistics issues. Most airlines and shipping companies have strict rules for individual battery cells over 20 watt hours. A standard 5400 mAh battery cell hits this limit. Once you cross it, shipping costs skyrocket because the phones are classified as high risk and hazardous cargo. Apple and Samsung ship these phones in millions. Those extra cents per unit turn millions into lost profit. It's not about the size of the battery, it's about the optimization of the engine. For example, Apple uses integration by creating their processors, the OS, and the screens in house so that these things are energy efficient enough to make the 4600 mAh battery last 10 hours. For them, a bigger battery is just dead weight and wasted internal space for better cameras. So, can the devices fly on airlines? International aviation rules cap individual devices at 100 watt hours, while 5000 mAh, which is approximately 18.5 watt hours, is nowhere near this limit. The total watt hour count of your backpack also matters. We are also seeing new 2026 rules in regions where charging from a power bank during a flight is being restricted for safety reasons. Some Chinese brands are breaking the rules by using silicon carbon anodes. These are 20 to 30% more dense, which let them hit 6500 mAh in a slimmer body. So, why aren't the big brands using it? It's currently 40% more expensive to produce, and the long term swelling data isn't there for a company that wants to make your phone last 5 plus years. So, in conclusion, the 5000 mAh limit isn't just a lack of technology or just laziness. It's the calculated choice of safety, shipping costs, and optimization. Until solid state batteries don't arrive, don't expect Samsung or Apple to budge. But if you follow the 20 to 80 charging rule, even a 5000 mAh battery will feel like new for years to come.